What do you guys think about my exhaust?
I mean, kind of look like a flame was put out of there, man. But I see disappointment, though. That's upset to me. It's not even my car.
Simeon, it's nice, right? The silencers? I think it sounds nice. The Stady thinks it sounds like.
You know what?
Ew. Leave me alone.
You told me for what?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna do like a day in life with silencers on video. So it's gonna be more like a vlogish style type video today. But yeah, let's get it started. Ugh. Sounds terrible. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in plus R mode. So that way you guys can hear the downshifts a little more. Brakes clear. Raspy, ugly sound when you're going up to 3K RPMs, and it's just terrible. So I usually shift between 2.5 to like 2.8 RPMs because anything near 3 just sounds horrible, nasty. It literally sounds nasty. Throw it in fourth. So I'm about to go wash my car right now at my cousin's place. Get the wheels all cleaned up. Dirty white wheels. You have to clean these wheels at least like every 3 days, and if it rains, probably like 2. The brake dust on the big brake Brembos, man, they just coat the white wheels like crazy. I usually hate driving with the AC on because it really makes the car drive weird. I don't know if any of you guys have the same issues too, but like normally I don't like to gas it, and at least the 10th gen Civics, you really don't need to give the car gas to get it moving. You just let off the clutch slowly and then the car would just bite. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing, but that's how I've been driving my cars. The clutch seems to hold up fine every time. The SI was at about 70,000 miles before I traded it in, and the clutch was still strong on that. And that was my first manual car too, so I don't know, it seems to work for me. I don't know how everyone else drives their car. Alright guys, so we made it to the spot, and I'm just gonna show you guys how the exhaust sounds with the silencers from outside the car. The car is like warmed up practically, so it's not gonna be a cold start, but I'll give it a couple revs after I start it. I think the stone's here.
Wow. Look at my fitment. Shit crazy.
Hey, you slammed.
I'm about to go lower.
Oh my god. Get pulled over like Samuel?
Nah, that state trooper was on my ass yesterday. I was like, he pulled me over exhaust, probably tint maybe, even though my tint looked legal. And then ride height.
Ride height. That's it.
That's it.
All right, guys. Car is clean, wheels clean. Oh, yeah. Now, we're gonna look at you. Hold up. Woo! Butte. 911. There's a man taking pictures of me. Shee! Loud Jesus. God dang! What is that? God dang! Alright, guys, so we're about to get something to eat now, and yeah, this is basically it. Little vlog style video for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of these silencers. Terrible. Terrible. Any exhaust that comes with silencers, don't even bother putting them on. They just sound bad. Yeah, this that cold start. Sounds when she's settled down a little bit, you know. Still a little bit loud, but nothing too crazy like before. And we do have the garage echoing in the back. Probably makes it a little bit louder, but wow, yours is overtaking my car now. All I hear is the injectors. Yes, sir. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your boy. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!